Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Point of clarification. In his Senate hearing last Monday, it was mentioned that Philcomsat Holdings is not a sequestered company. Today, they have confirmed it. It is not a sequestered company. I'm talking about holdings. The 940 million shares that have been placed in the stock exchange that the holdings has requested that it be listed was stopped by a PCGG letter suspending the listing. So those shares are not worth anything because it has not been listed.
Who wrote that letter?
Mr. Chairman, Your Honors, I signed the letter. That's why I'd like.
Why did you sign it?
It's an act of the Commission. I, as Chairman, signed the letter.
You're not aware of the letter?
Could we have a copy? I think I saw a copy earlier.
Maybe Commissioner Sabio, can you please explain to us the rationale why you signed a letter considering that it is not a sequestered company?
Your Honor, in fact, the president of the exchange told me that if the letter arrived 3 days late, the shares would have been listed. Then those shares would be worth something. All the PCGG has to do is revoke the letter. That's all.
Does the PCGG as a whole, you all agree that it's not a sequestered company, right? So, Commissioner, if you make a mistake, let's say you made a honest mistake, na you signed a letter, can you not unsign your letter by revoking it already? So that at least magkaroon naman ng value yung shares na yan sa PHC. Maibenta nyo na yung 35% stake nyo?
Your Honor, so we will. It's in fact I asked my staff to put it in the agenda at the in-bank meeting on the 8th, on Friday. We will examine that again, and I do not wish to do any injustice to Mr. Rosames.
May I just ask you, what is the policy in PCGG? Before you sign anything, aren't you supposed to consult your legal office there or legal officers before you sign anything?
I am certain, Your Honor, that that decision was made by the Commission in Bank after consulting.
So from May of this year, you based your decision on signing a letter from an NBank resolution way back May of 2006. It's already almost December now, and then you still...
Excuse me, you mentioned in your letter that it says your reason why you have requested the stoppage or blocking of the listings that says here, a premature listing of the subject shares before the said legal issues are resolved may result in unauthorized trades detrimental to the interest of the government and of the investing public. Can you tell us what are the circumstances wherein there will be prejudice on the government at the same time to the public in the sale of the shares?
I'm sorry I cannot explain that now, Your Honor. That's why I said I would look into it and we will discuss that matter during our...
Mr. Sabio, with your respect, no? You've been a Secretary General of the House. Wala namang nakakahiya naman. Tumipirma ka, hindi mo alam yung pinipirmahan mo. Ano naman yan?
Commissioner, if I may,
yes,
you're saying that during that time hindi pa lumalabas yung Supreme Court decision. Lumabas na about the 35%.
The decision of the Supreme Court is dated June of 2005. It was 2005. Then September 2005,
Finality.
the decision became final.
So, but you mean, from a year ago when you wrote this letter, you have not changed your letter. I mean, you have not revoked the letter that you made, considering that there was already a Supreme Court, the Supreme Court ruled with finality in September. Hindi po niyo ba binago ang stand ninyo as far as the shares are concerned? You still, up to this date, you still stick to the issue na this still holds water? Kasi considering nagkaroon na po ng decision noong September 2005, hindi niyo ba binago?
I said I would look into it. I am sure that when I signed that letter, it appeared to me to be
No, that's what
to
I
have a
mean.
correct
After,
rationale.
okay. But noong September 2005, we all know na the Supreme Court has already ruled with finality. Ang gusto ko lang pong tanungin sa inyo sa PCGG, hindi niyo po ba o kayo po ba, hindi niyo po inisip na, bakit hindi natin ulit subukan o publicly list yung PHC? Para total naman pala, may ruling na Supreme Court na ito na yung decision, hindi na siya sequestered company, so pwede na natin siyang ibenta na wala nang balakid or there's no more hindrance into putting it out as a publicly listed company and sell shares to the market, to the public.
Your Honor, despite the Supreme Court decision, I'm not really sure that because of that we could have the shares sold. I'm not sure. That's why I will study it again, Your Honor.